The main issue is that there are two benches of the of this honorable court sitting at Quetta and Peshawar, directed, and I will show from this that a bench can direct the constitution of a full court, and I'll cite those judgments when I come to that, sir. Here they directed the
थोड़े से उसके फैक्ट्स इस तरह से है ना कि that was against the chief justice.
सर जी जी बिल्कुल सर जी, तो फिर उन्होंने एक्टिंग चीफ जस्टिस को भेज दिया था. एक्टिंग चीफ जस्टिस रिफ्यूज टू हियर दिस केस सर ऑन पर्सनल ग्राउंड्स कि he has personal interest in this, if he is the benefit is going to be the beneficiary if the petition is successful. Then that bench the chief justice, honorable acting chief justice, did not refer it to this next senior judge. That bench of two-member bench referred it to the.
यहाँ तो chief justice is available.
जी जी मैं आ रहा हूँ सर मैं यहाँ बता रहा हूँ क्या तो what they said, what is the full court. I'll just pointing out this judgment. I'll come to my other humble submissions. Sir, kindly see where the parenthesis J is on page 224, para 32.
It's not correct. आवाज ठीक नहीं है.
नहीं ठीक.
मैं आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही.
नहीं सही नहीं है आवाज.
जो कर रहे हैं एको तो बंद कर दिया उन्होंने.
एको बंद हो गया. वॉल्यूम का भी इशू है.
वॉल्यूम बढ़ाना. बढ़ा दें वॉल्यूम थोड़ा सा बढ़ा दें. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाइए. डायरेक्टर होता है
मैं
बोलेंगे तो पता चलेगा.
अच्छा सर मुझे अब आप उधर देख रहे होते हैं रुक जाता हूँ. अच्छा सर बहुत मैं बोल रहा हूँ जी बहुत बेहतर. सर I was referring to, I will not read the para because I had read it earlier, but just at parenthesis J.
अब बेहतर है.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Am I with you? जी जी जी. My lord, we may mention, parenthesis J, we may mention here that a full court hearing does not necessarily require presence of all the judges of the court on the bench. If some of the judges of court are not available or decline to sit on the bench for some reason, the remaining judges of the court would constitute the quorum of the full court. In the present case, as earlier pointed out by us, that Honorable Chief Justice could not sit on the bench as he himself was respondent in these petitions, my lord. And this next senior puisne judge, Mr. Justice Ajmal Mia, as he then was declined to sit on the bench, he had personal interest in these cases. Out of the remaining 5 judges, Mr. Justice Mukhtar Junejo not only declined to sit on the full court bench, but proceeded on leave. The remaining 4 learned judges of this opted not to sit on the full court session. In these are the remaining 10 judges of this court properly constituted the quorum of the full court.